Hi, Amy Drab here again from Foundations Medical Center. Wanted to talk with you today about a therapeutic smoothie for hypertension, high blood pressure. So there are a number of foods that are helpful in lowering the blood pressure, and in some cases a smoothie with those therapeutic foods can actually lower the blood pressure pretty efficiently if consumed on a regular basis. So you may want a smoothie base with some kind of vegetarian protein, a nut milk, I prefer nut milk or coconut milk, and a few therapeutic foods along with something that you enjoy like fruit. But the therapeutic foods that I would include in the smoothie are beets, beet greens, pomegranate seeds, and celery. If you can put those in a smoothie, you'll find that that's actually going to be effective in lowering your blood pressure if taken on a regular basis.